Hey, this is John Young. If you're watching this video, that means one of two things. You either know me personally or you are over 50 and having an ACL and a problem with the ACL or looking at an ACL surgery. In April of 2020, I blew my knee out, my right knee, and in that I tore the meniscus and I damaged the ACL to the point where it's basically shredded, completely gone. Jumping ahead almost 2 years, we're going to get that fixed. And this is going to be a video series focusing on the pre and then the recovery phase. They're saying I'm going to be on crutches for about 6 weeks. I'm going to be having some major discomfort for the first couple of weeks. All these different things we're going to talk about in these videos. So if you're watching this, you're probably over 50 and wondering, should you go through this? Watch and you'll learn as we go through this together. If you are watching it and you're like, hey, I know John, this is kind of, you're going to get to see into the kind of backside of my life here for a number of weeks as we go through this process. We're doing this in February of 2022. Injury was April of 2020, and the goal is to be able to be jogging by August of 2022 and doing a 5K with my family when they do the annual 5K in one of our local towns. So hopefully my experiences will help you to either make the decision to get the ACL fixed or maybe not. And if you maybe there's going to be some things we'll learn along the way of what you could do to make it better for yourself in this whole process. So watch the videos in the playlist. I'll have the link in the description below, and hopefully we'll be able to go through this and come out on the other side much better than we are today.